how to buy a PlayStation gift card on Amazon. Open up Amazon and sign into your account. Once you have signed in, we are going to use the search bar to search for PlayStation gift card digital code. This is going to be our search query. Once we type this, then if you scroll down, you will see some different options for PlayStation gift cards. Now, you may notice that this is a $50 gift card, however, it costs $67 currently. That is because there's a lot of demand for these gift cards and usually they are sold out and being sold by different providers here. If you keep scrolling down, you will see other amounts as well. So for example, here you have a $20 PlayStation gift card, which you can purchase. Again, it's going to be a little bit overpriced. You pay a premium for this, but how this is going to work, essentially you will add it to your cart, then you will go and proceed to checkout. After you check out, you will receive the gift card code on your email, and that way you can redeem it on the PlayStation network, and that's how it works. I hope this video answers your question. Leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.